Women get 70% of the salaries compared to men for the same job. They go through politics and bias when they try to reach the top and win.
The entire management and leadership team was 90% predominantly male, and I was the only female occupying the chair.
So when I was interviewed about 5 times by 5 different people, I was a bit jittery to begin with.
I was kind of not recognized, and the amount of work I was doing, I felt a lot of work pressure, as well as comparing it to my pay scale. I felt I can do much better.
If you are going through these challenges, I invite you to join our Introductory Leadership Masterclass.
I have had my confidence shooting up like anything. I am super poised, super calm, super composed when I'm talking to somebody and pitching myself as a brand. I have learned to leverage myself as my own brand. Breakthrough was getting a job which was at an 80% hike.
So the Iron Lady program just kept giving me that power and that positivity that I can do it. Yes, it was a double promotion and a 50% hike in my package as well.
We had this 3 days of masterclass which really helped me at different points of my personality. It helped me to how do you achieve your goal. I'm happy to say that I got a job offer with 100% of hike.
Thousands of women have used the art of winning methodology to reach the top. Look forward to seeing you in the masterclass.